Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the bargain bead box for July of 2025 and I'm very excited to unbox this. If you're not familiar with bargain bead box, my code is BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. This is $24.99 a month for new subscribers. They just did have a price increase of a couple dollars and it's valued between $60 to $90 every month, so it's still a great bargain, even with the little price increase. So, like I said, my coupon code is BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave all of the information in the link below. So let's open this and see. I peeked a little bit, but yet I didn't. If that makes sense. Ice cream shop collection. Okay. So it says icy frosted gems in cherry pink quartz and minty green kiwi jasper combined with cone-shaped caps for lots of fun ice cream design options. We loved the cool, refreshing color palette with red crystal rounds as the cherry on top. Agate, peach jade, and rose quartz gemstones, silver tone findings, and 3 extra bonus items complete the collection. Ooh, nice. Okay. Let me see. So let's see what we have going on here. Oh. Okay. Very excited. So there are, let me see, 3 bonus. So there's 21 items and then there's 3 bonus items. So there's 24 items this month. Oh. Very cool. Piece jade. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love the bead caps. These are good for dangle earrings. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. How cute are these? Resin popsicle pendants. Hello. Oh, and oh, how fun. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting with number 1, 50 by 28 millimeter rose quartz and brass pendant. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that, it's gorgeous. This is the back of it. Oh, I like this. Very pretty. Okay. Number 2 is 15 inches of 8 millimeter matte cherry pink quartz dyed round beads. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. You could take this and make a double bracelet right there. Put it on some stretchy cord. Love. And number 3 is 15 inches of 8 millimeter kiwi jasper matte round beads. Oh, these are pretty too. Look at those. You could do the same with these. Put them on some stretch cord, make a couple bracelets for yourself, or you could combine them. That'd be really pretty too. Okay, these next ones are really cool. 7 inches of 10 millimeter firecrackle agate dyed heated round beads. Oh, these are cool. Look at those striations in the beads. Oh, look at that one. Each one's just a little bit different. Look at that. How cool is that? Look at that. This one's really cool. These look like retro beads. Okay, and number 5 is 15 inches of 6 millimeter piece jade. I thought when I was reading up, I thought it said peach jade. Peace Jade, quartz and serpentine round beads. Oh, these are pretty. Some nice gemstones we got in this box. So even though they're raising it a couple dollars, you're still getting a really great deal with these. One of these strands alone, this long, would be like $15 at Michael's. And they wouldn't be this quality. So remember that. And you get so many like of their little findings and their ear wires and just a little bit of everything, so it's great. Okay, number 6 is 7.5 inches of 8mm rose quartz English cut round beads. Rose quartz is so pretty. And I love the English cut. See that? See how it's got that sparkle. So pretty. Okay. And number 7 is 15 inches of 6mm crackle agate glass, crackle glass round beads in frosted mint. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at that. These look like a gemstone. These look like agate beads, and they're just glass. So pretty. Okay. And number 8 is 12 inches of 4mm crystal faceted round beads in cherry red. Oh, these are pretty. They always give us the faceted, some kind of a faceted crystal bicone or round bead like this. And they're great just for a little pop of color. If you want, really pretty. I can't wait to work with this box. I was so busy last month, I didn't do any tutorials for last month box. I still have it sitting here. Last month was crazy, and my kids are in town, and so I'm a little late doing this unboxing too. Number 9 is 10 pieces of 12 by 8mm flower scoop beads in pink ombre. Oh, these are pretty. These make great little, like if you have a dangle bead, they make a great little dangle bead, like to put something underneath, or they make great bead caps as well. If you're like doing a memory wire bracelet or a bracelet and you put a bead in between them, they work really good. I've done that for like a focal piece or something. And number 10, this is so cute. 2-piece enameled ice cream cone charms in matte silver. Oh, are these adorable? Look at these. How cute. Oh, how cute are these? Okay. And number 11 is 16 by 9.5 platinum plated brass cherry charm. This is $2.49. Look at how cute that is. Okay. I kind of have an idea for this. Number 12 is 34 by 6.5mm hypoallergenic stainless steel spoon pendant. Oh, look at this. Ice cream sundae. This is totally ice cream shop. Look at that cute little spoon. Oh, I've got a really cool idea. Yes. Number 13 is 8.5 by 11mm cone bead caps, 10 grams. Oh, these are cool. Very cool. Even if you don't use these now, you can always put them in your stash for later. That's what I love about these. Number 14 is 30 pieces of 6mm flower bead caps. Very pretty. Okay. And number 15 is 10 grams of 8 by 7.5 millimeter cone bead caps. Oh, so another kind of bow, cone bead cap. They're really got a lot of these this year, this month. Oh, I've got such a great idea. It's like my creativity is flowing in my brain right now opening this. 20 piece, number 16 is 20 pieces of 8 millimeter swirl bead caps. So, look at these. They're pretty. And number 17 is 10 pieces of 14.5 by 13 chandelier findings. Oh, nice. These are pretty. Look like they're the same on both sides too. Yeah, same on both sides too, which is nice. Okay, and number 18 is 100 pieces of 3 by 2 millimeter round spacer beads. Oh, wow. 100 of them. Wow. Oh, don't want them flying off. So these are nice. Oh, look how easy that just glided right in there. And number 19 is 20 pieces of 8 millimeter rhinestone spacer beads in crystal AB. These are nice. And they're lightweight, which is good because if you use them in earrings, they're not going to weigh your earlobe down. Let's see, and then this is, it's the side, you can see it. Okay. And number 20 is 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter hypoallergenic stainless steel curb chain. Okay. So you have a lot of findings for this to create a lot of good earrings. Okay, so we got that. And then number 21 is 4 sets of ornate round toggle clasps. Okay, here we go. So there's 4 sets of these. It looks like the same on both sides for that, which is good. Do we have these? And you can also, I've also used these as pendants before. I do a lot with these, or use them towards pendants. Okay, and now includes 3 bonus items. I have to open these. 2-piece resin popsicles, 41 by 14.5 resin popsicle pendants. If this isn't the cutest thing in the world, I don't know what is. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute are these? Oh my gosh. This is just, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my. And number 2, okay, bonus 10 piece of 2 bales. These are nice. I love using these. I have some copper ones from another company, and I use them quite often. These are priceless, the 2 bales. I love them. And the last one is 30 pieces of 22 gauge 50 millimeter brass ball head pins. So go. And if you want to know how to straighten these out, where is my, I just had it. I was using it. I'm going to show you. Oh, here it is. Okay. You have one of these, and it's got the plastic on it. What you do is you take this and you hold on to it, and you just start working it like that. And it also helps to stiffen the steel too. See? So just a little piece of advice. So that's what you do with these. If you have these in your stash and you're like, what do I do with these? I forgot what they're called. But anyway, so this is the unboxing for Ice Cream Shop Collection for July of 2025. And I will say this is so pretty. I will say, I think these are my favorite. These are so cute. These are so cute. And I love the two bells. And these green ones too are really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And like I said, BNJ2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave the links below to their website and my coupon code, and I will also leave links to all of my social media and my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry if you're interested in looking. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and even leave me a comment. It really helps with my algorithms, and it helps to keep me motivated and see what you guys like about my videos and don't like. So I'm open to constructive criticism as long as it's nice. So I will see you guys on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.